Hey, Mason. Hey, Mason!
What? The Olympics are on. I'm watching the mixed doubles curling.
Do you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube?
Do I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Yeah, I think I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. What's up everyone, I'm Mason, and today I am in the comfort of my own house because I'm not going somewhere to see if I know a sport. Today I'm going to see if I'll be defeated by this. What is this thing? So, I think it's about time we end our video here. So, as it turns out, I do know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Once again, I'm Mason, and cheers till next time. Wait, just one last thing. Okay, I know I did something like this last time. This is not going to become a regular thing. But, since the last video, I've started an Instagram account specifically for my channel. So I'm going to put the username right above my finger there, and if I can figure out how to, I will also put a link. So worst case scenario, I've put a link in the description, and make sure to follow for lots of updates about my channel.